Guys, today I'm making some gluten-free fudge brownies, and the ingredients are half cup of canola oil, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 large eggs, and additional cup of chips, nuts, or some hot fudge. Okay, so we're gonna start off with putting the fudge brownie mix in. Dang it. So now we're gonna put in the half cup of canola oil, 2 tablespoons of water. Now we gotta add our 2 large eggs. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then while we do that, we have to mix our batter. So now I'm gonna mix the batter. Okay, so now we wait until it's mixed into a good batter consistency. Now we take off this, and we want to scoop the bottom to make sure there's no mix left at the bottom. So now I'm just gonna scoop the bottom to make sure there's no brownie mix left on the bottom. And scoop the sides. Okay, so now we want to spray the bottom of our pan like so. So now once you sprayed your 8x8 pan with pan oil, just pour your batter in. Now that you've poured your batter into the pan, get an adult, or if you have experience with an oven, put it in. And wait 35 to 40 minutes. The last step is, once you pull the brownies out, all you have to do is let them cool, and then they're edible. Okay, so now, if you want to, you can do what I'm doing, and we're gonna make a brownie sundae with these brownies. They're a little squishy, but
It's delicious.
ah! So now I'm just gonna scoop the ice cream. Put the hot fudge on. Make sure to put it in for 30 seconds, not 1 minute like my sister did. Just drizzle it all on there. Now once you have your hot fudge on, it's ready to eat. That's perfect.